Moving on now to extra financial performance, which is an integral part of our advanced strategic plan. This plan includes a reduction of minus 33% of our CO2 emissions in absolute terms on scopes 1 and 2 by 2035 and carbon neutrality by 2050. Our emission reduction trajectory by 2035 has been validated by the Science Based Targets Initiative as being consistent with climate science. Against this backdrop, we maintain our ambition to start the decrease by 2025 of our CO2 emissions in absolute terms. In 2022, for the second consecutive year, these emissions remain stable against a backdrop of strong growth. I recall that our decarbonization strategy is based on three main drivers. First of all, the decarbonization of our industrial assets through our efficiency drive and new technologies such as electrolysis. Next, the supply of low-carbon energy, which led in 2022 to securing 350 megawatts of renewable power. Finally, the deployment of innovative technologies for carbon capture. Air Liquide's commitment to sustainable development goes well beyond climate objectives. The social and societal dimensions are part and parcel of our roadmap. The group has thus committed for its employees, be it in terms of safety, gender, equality, or social coverage. First of all, on safety, this is an absolute priority for an industrial group such as Air Liquide. In 2022, we reduced workplace accidents with work days lost by 11%. Next, gender equality. This involves increasing the number of women amongst our engineers and executives. It stands at 31.5% versus 26% in 2012. We're aiming for 35% by 2025. Finally, the establishment of a common social security coverage. 42% of our 67,100 employees around the world now have this, with a goal of 100% of employees covered by 2025. This includes health insurance coverage, life insurance, and paid maternity leave for 14 weeks. Your group has also committed more broadly to society as a whole, in particular through the Access Oxygen program. Through this program, 1.8 million persons now have facilitated access to medical oxygen in low to medium-income countries. To summarize, notwithstanding a complex, changing environment, Air Liquide has posted very robust results in 2022.